Prime Minister Andrew Holness is touting the multi-million-dollar U.S. investment at Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James as a potential boom for the Jamaican economy. Sandy Williams has that story.
Presently, our airport is outdated.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness during a tour of the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. The airport has been undergoing significant modernization to transform it into a world-class facility. Mr. Holness says the improvement is a massive investment in the country's travel infrastructure.
The investment involves $70 million of infrastructure work on the runway itself and on the supporting civil infrastructure for the runway, including relocation of roads, putting in new utilities, underground utilities at that, which have more resilience, including supporting and protecting the shoreline, because the runway is close to the airline.
The runway and safety zones will also be expanded. Once completed, Mr. Holness explains the infrastructure will boost the tourism sector and, by extension, the economy.
The benefit is mainly 90% for the Jamaican people. When we are able to open our country to other destinations, it increases our visitor potential, which increases our earnings from tourism, which increases our revenues, which means that the government can spend more on the things that matter to you: education, health, the road in your community, and your water supply.
An additional $70 million will be pumped into improving other areas of the airport, including its processing capacity.
Right now, we are seeing significant bottlenecks in receiving passengers because there are some unique issues to do with this airport because of the travel times and the narrow windows for travel times. But generally, the facility here is outdated and well below the requirements and the necessary capacity. So $70 million will be invested in totally upgrading the airport.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.